Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish your website in Carrd.co, taking your design from the editor to a live URL in just a few clicks. Let's get into it. First, open the Publish menu. Once you've finished designing your one-page site and you're happy with how it looks, you need to head to the main toolbar. Click on the Save/Publish icon, it looks like a floppy disk, in the top right corner of the editor. If you haven't logged in yet, Carrd will prompt you to create an account or sign in before you can proceed. Once active, a side panel will slide out titled Publish this site. Next, enter your site details. This is the most important part of the process because it determines how your site appears on Google and social media. You cannot leave these fields blank. The title. This isn't just a file name for you, it is the meta title. It's what appears at the very top of the browser tab and as the main blue link in search results. Make it your brand name or your full name. The description. This is your meta description. When you share your link on X or Twitter or WhatsApp, this text appears under the link. You want to summarize what your site is about in 1 or 2 sentences. At the bottom of this section, you'll see Action. Most users will select Publish to a .carrd.co URL. If you are just testing your site and don't want it live yet, you can select Save as an online draft instead, which saves your progress without making the link public. Lastly, choose your URL and go live. The final step is deciding where your website will live on the internet. Scroll down to the Action section. You can choose to publish to a .carrd.co URL for free or publish to a custom domain if you have a pro account. If choosing the free option, type your desired name into the box. Carrd will instantly tell you if the name is available. Once you see the green light, click the big Publish button at the bottom. Your site is now live. And that's pretty much it. To publish on Carrd in 2026, click the Publish icon, enter a title and description for SEO, choose your .carrd.co URL, and hit Publish. Then you can click View Site to see your new creation live on the web. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.